My dear friends, today I'm crafting my stash. I'm going to take these Jenga blocks that I found at the bottom of my stash and I'm going to be making 3 sets of 3. And I'm going to glue them all together, creating a little platform because we are going to be recreating this window that I also purchased at Dollar Tree, but it was in the bottom of my stash, so I'm just going to go ahead and recreate it. So using more wood glue, I'm just going to go ahead and attach both of these pieces together. I waited approximately half an hour until the glue was set. Then of course I came back and I'm cleaning this piece out. I'm taking this chew cord out of here. I took white and black paint, mixed it together and got the perfect gray that I was looking for. And then of course I went on and I proceeded to paint the entire piece. And this snowflake also from the bottom of my stash, I am going to be giving it one coat with this white chalk paint. Actually, it is white linen chalk paint. I thought this big, huge snowflake would look really nice right on the window. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm taking some hot glue and I am going to be gluing it right here. I think this looks beautiful. What do you think? And then of course I have this beautiful ribbon. I purchased this at Michael's at a grab bag several years ago. So I'm going to go ahead and put it to use right now by creating a beautiful bow. Once it's done, then I'll go ahead and glue it with some hot glue on the top of the window. And this greenery, I don't even remember where I got it from, but let's go ahead and start gluing it around the window. And I also have these little bitty pine cones. I am going to start gluing them wherever I think it looks nice, along with some red berries. So I'm going to go ahead and fluff this beautiful bow. Once I fluff it, I'm going to put it to the side and then I'm going to come in with some black chalk paint and I'm going to be painting this deer. I will give it 2 coats. I'm using my hot tool only to speed the process of drying this one. And then this will be it. I'm going to be adding a necklace. And once the necklace is placed right here on the neck, then I am totally done. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this project. Today is another open collaboration created by Sunflower Tasha DIY with Tasha and Crafting My Best Life with Lisa. Today's theme is winter and we are crafting our stash. I'm going to be leaving the links directly to these talented creators down below in my description box, along with a playlist for your convenience. Make sure to visit them, give them a lot of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. So I'm going to go ahead and take these snowflakes and cover up that little hole right there with some spackle. Once I'm done, then I'm going to bring in my linen white chalk paint and I will be giving it one coat to all three of them. And here they are, nice and painted, and they are completely dry. I'm gonna go ahead and put these to the side. I also purchased these little borders from Temu, and I've had these since last year. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some gold acrylic paint, and I am going to be painting all four of them. So all my pieces are completely dry. I'm going to go ahead and start putting everything together. These four pieces, I'm going to be placing them on all four corners. Once that is done, then I'm going to make sure to come in with the same acrylic or metallic gold paint, and I'm going to be distressing the entire canvas. Once I was done with the canvas and the canvas is completely dry, then of course it's time to add those snowflakes. I'm going to be adding plenty of hot glue to all three of them and then putting them wherever I think it looks nice. This canvas is nice and simple, but yet I like simplicity. So I am going to be placing this in one of my walls. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite so far and what do you think about this project. Would you add anything else to it? I think simple for me is better. If you follow me, you know that I have a box full of these wood slices that I love crafting with. I'll begin by painting this surface right here with linen white chalk paint. Once this surface is completely painted and dry, I'll begin by decorating it with some trees, pine cones, berries, and a beautiful deer, of course. I've been using deers a lot. Deer a lot lately. Well, because I purchased 24 of them and I need to use them. So I've been painting them all kinds of colors. And I purchased them last year. I ordered them on the website from Dollar Tree. I also want to thank you for stopping by and watching my channel. Your support means the world. If you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe, share, and like. Be sure to let me know in the comment section which project is your favorite. I can't wait to hear from you. I also want to remind you of the playlist. I will be leaving the links down below in my description box so you could go ahead, jump over, and visit these talented creators for more inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like to their channel, and also let them know that I sent you. And guys, I must tell you that this project is my favorite from all of them. And of course, now is your chance to vote. Which one do you like best? Number 1, 2, or 3? I already told you number 3 is my favorite, but I would love to hear from you. And of course, my dear friends, I will see you soon.